In the heart of Provence, where the fields rolled free, there's a village so small, a charm that you'll see. Maine is its name, a gem in the sun, where stories of old and new intertwine as one. Magnificent landscapes, cultivated fields in view, rolling hills surround with a sky so blue. Saint André's church, baroque façade stands tall. Two monumental doors, bell tower calls to all. Oh, Maine, you stone streets, wind and weave, ancient walls and houses that never cease to breathe. From the gardens of Salagon to the hills so wide, Maine, you are Provence with your timeless pride. The ramparts rise high, from local quarries they came, giving harmony and peace as the stone tells your name. Winding through the village homes, both grand and fair, Provençal traditions in the fragrant air. Since Gallo-Roman times, your land's been held dear, from Benedictine monks to revolution's cheer. 12th century churches, guardians of herb and oak, aesthetic and learning in every leaf and sport. Medieval gardens where history grows, herbs and village plants where wisdom flows. Modern times blend with the past's gentle hand. In Salagon's embrace we understand. In 1981, the calm you restored, breathing life into history.